forward, let it forward. There we go. Nice.
Copy that, start approved.
Trims out.
Yeah, trim it out.
Echo Yankee Union is just south of minute.
280.
280.
280.
And you got your bug set?
Okay, switch over to Dublin.
Yeah.
Going to go across the wind farms.
Yeah.
Have the wind farms marked up here and here.
Yeah.
Echo Yankee Union, QSY to Birr Airfield.
And Kennedy should be out on the left somewhere. Okay, continue now, straight on your heading, and we should see the town of Birr. Okie doke.
Okay, so there we are.
So you're at Kilcormac, you're 2,500 feet, you're inbound, expecting the field in how many minutes?
7 minutes.
Okay, let's do it. Cross overhead,
Nope.
join
Over
on the
now.
dead side, descend and come back live side.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay, lads. You all set?
Yeah, ready.
3, 2, 1.
West Tower, can I go to the channel request taxi?
At full power. Hold, and then we just flick right in 2 seconds. Okay. Just coming up to 400 feet. After takeoff checks, flaps are up. T's and P's in the green. Timing out just at 70 knots.
Good.
Heavy.
Yeah, you feeling it?
Feeling it alright.
Yeah, good.
Tango, Fox Charlie.
Oh, okay.
Reservation, good afternoon. Echo India, Foxtrot, X-ray Whiskey, departed Weston VF4, routing to Birr, squawking 3703.
And below, and you have traffic underneath you showing 900 feet unverified.
Echo Fox Charlie is just coming up to mid-left downwind for 18 and the full stop.
I would make it a full flap landing.
Okay.
Lovely. Speed is coming back nice, looking good, looking really good. Down you go. Nice landing.
Well done. Beautiful.
Traffic.
Don't drift. You're going the wrong way. You're going that way.
Downwind. Runway 18, number 2, have the one ahead in sight.
Now you can start gently slowing down that round out. Hold it there. Wait for it to sink. Wait for it. Wait. And round again. And flare. And flare. And again. And again. And again. And again. And there she goes. Full power. I got the flaps.
actually.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
in a small plane actually, but it's a bit more like hoverport West.